Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox critical system and the files are corrupted with error. So let's get going. So in order to do this, first thing you have to do is you have to go to your desktop and find the search bar, and from the start bar we can usually search everything, and there you will write reset and you will see the option of reset this PC or recovery options, and click on this to open this up. As you can see, there is an option of get started, so we have to click there. As you can see, there is two options. So here the first option says this is gonna remove your apps and settings but keep your personal files, and the second one is remove all the personal files and app settings. So basically we will select the first one, and before doing that we need to make a note of our password, because this selection will actually remove all the settings and safe passwords. By doing this, your Roblox will be removed from your system and you have to basically reinstall the Roblox again. So this process is gonna take 15 to 30 minutes, because basically this is reinstalling your Windows again. And once you have done that, you will reinstall your Roblox and you won't found the critical system file corrupted with error. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.